It's your girl Lisa, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lisa Line. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press that post notification button to be notified every time I upload a video. If you already did, I'm thanking y'all for being a part of my family. So as you can see by the title today, so if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna let y'all do so. So we'll see you in the next video. As you can see today by the title is what are my favorite Christmas my Christmas movie. I mean, when it's the time of the year, I like to watch Christmas, Christmas movies. So anyways, I'm on my lunch break. I was supposed to do it since this morning, but I wasn't feeling myself to even do it. So I was like, I had to commit myself doing this Vlogmas. So I'm gonna put down every list and some of the funniest videos that I like in around the Christmas, the Christmas season. I mean, drop it down on the comment below. What are your favorite Christmas movies to watch around the seasons of the holiday? So enough said. We'll see in the next video. So anyways, right now I just came back from my break, but still they didn't give me my extension so I could make some calls. I'm just there waiting. So anyways, it happened just now. So there's a movie that I really love so much. It's Home Alone. I mean, that movie is hella, it's hella funny. So I have to laugh. Like right now I can't because I'm on training, just waiting for the extension. I don't know if they had called me while I went on break just to make the calls, but by 6:30 I'll be watching Santa Claus. I mean, these are one of my favorite movies, literally. I mean, there's some stuff that makes me laugh. I mean, I like Santa Claus from the first to the third, to the third part of that movie. So at 6:30 freeform, I will be watching Santa Claus 2. And then at 9 o'clock, I'm definitely gonna watch Santa Claus 3. Because one, I'm not gonna explain it to y'all, but I don't think y'all have watching it. But I'm gonna show you the part that was hella funny. So anyways, continue this vlog with me, and then stay tuned. We'll see in the next video. Okay.
It's too late for you, kid. We're already in the house. We're gonna get you.
Okay, come and get me.
Who are you? Now you're dead! to take your shoes off.
Why the hell are you dressed like a chicken?
I'm up here, you morons! Come and get me! You guys give up, or you're thirsty for more?
But you see, we weren't figuring on walking out the front door. We find that we can get around a lot faster if we try. You have to learn ahead. We come out and tell. Don't ever try this without our supervision.
Yo.
I didn't know you had my snow globe. Maybe not. But who said I wish I'd never been sad at all? What? I said, who said I wish I'd never been sad at all? Rudolph? Rudolph's mama? Frost, switch back with me. Now's your chance. And this is your chance to enjoy the show. Security, I swear. Take my guest to a seat, won't you? Thanks so much. Come on, let's go.
Tickets on sale now for the 6 o'clock elf toss.
Boy, this show stinks.
Start spreading the news. By channel, by slave. You want to be a part of it. North Pole, North Pole. You snooze and you lose. So come here to play. Here at the very heart of it. North Pole, North Pole. Come see the snowman up where no man's without a treat. And watch this king of the chill turn up the heat. Those are summertime blues are melting away. Although it's 55.
not Santa anymore. You're just a guy who smells like a cookie.
Hey, how about a game of catch? Lucy, toss it.
Ooh, nice try, compadre. And lovely teamwork. There's only one problem. You're never gonna get me to say, I wish I'd never been sad at all.
Now who said that? Rudolph? Rudolph's mother?
I'm gonna get my coat. Come here. Whoa, freaky.
Hey, you!
Let me go. That coat belongs to me. No, Frost. That coat belongs to him.
Got him!
This guy was huge.
Yeah, but I'm Santa now. You don't look like Santa.
You killed him!
Did not.
I want that coat, Domingo.
Dad! You gotta see this!
Charlie? Charlie! Stay away from those
Domingo.
things.
I want the coat.
Why? Because you make such a good Santa? Because all the elves love you? All those people you took money from, they love you? Listen to me. Being Santa's not something you can take. It's something that chooses you. Well, oh, look. Nice. And you're too late.
So anyways, I just listed what movies I like, so I want to put it in on this video. So like, share, subscribe, and turn that post notification button. So we'll see tomorrow. Bye.